Are you tired of losing money trading cryptocurrencies? Sign up for my free trading AI with over 50% monthly return on your investment. Link is in the description. Army Shiba Inu. If you own 1 million Shib tokens, you need to know that Shiba Inu, the most well-known meme coin, is one of the top 15 cryptocurrencies. It has expanded over the past 2 years, receiving praise from influential figures in the sector like Elon Musk and Vitalik Buterin. Shib found the affluent cryptocurrency market to be enjoyable. We shall discuss the Shiba Inu army in this video. You must view this if you are in possession of 1 million Shib tokens. Remember to give it a big thumbs up. For the most recent information about Shiba Inu's price forecasts and expert commentary, please share and subscribe to the channel. Let's start the video now without further ado. It turned out that the second quarter of 2022 was a carnage. However, at the time of publication, Shib was in trouble and valued at 0.1198. Community involvement is essential to Shib's development. The community has consistently supported the expansion of Shib, whether it be through demands to have it included on Robinhood or for McDonald's to accept it as payment. A sizable NFT artist community that focuses on the Shiba Inu dog breed in their works has also settled there. Rather than just brushing off the buzz, it's critical to understand that what we're witnessing is a massive influx of traders unfamiliar with cryptocurrency entering the market, according to Ben Caslin, head of research and strategy at AX. He also said that since Shibcoin uses the Ethereum platform, it embraces its status as a meme coin. It uses the proof of work consensus process at the moment, and will switch to the proof of stake consensus mechanism in the future. The development of the cryptocurrency Bluebit.io will surely be impacted by the imminent Ethereum 20 changeover. Shiba Inu has recently been added to a multi-asset trading platform that also accepts cryptocurrency. Although the exchange hasn't yet made an official announcement, Shannon Bray, a Shiba Inu supporter running for the US Senate, confirms that Shiba Inu trading is currently active on the exchange website. Shiba Inu trading is currently active on Bluebit, according to the CryptoBasic. Bluebit polled its community over the Shiba Inu listing prior to the August 7th Shib listing. Bluebit.io, which was founded in April 2022 and has offices in Dubai and St. Vincent, is not your typical cryptocurrency exchange. By allowing customers to trade all financial assets, including Forex, CFDs, stocks, and cryptocurrencies, in one location with reduced fees and higher security, the exchange develops a novel offering for the sector. Over 700 trade instruments across 7 asset classes are presently supported by the multi-asset trading platform, including well-known cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Deutsche Bank, Coin, and so on. Project manager of Shiba Inu, Shidoshi Kazama, announced the release of Shiba Eternity for Vietnamese players. Users can test out the game, and the development team has gotten their feedback. The eagerly anticipated video game Shiba Eternity has been made available to Vietnamese users. Shidoshi Kazama, the project manager for the Shiba Inu, announced the game's release and asked Vietnamese players to leave reviews and other feedback for Shiba Eternity. The iOS version of Shiba Inu's game is exclusively accessible to Vietnamese users and is currently in testing. The game was first revealed by Shiba Inu at the start of August 2022, and the first gameplay was released earlier than anticipated. Positive user reviews have been posted on YouTube, giving gamers a sneak peek at how the game plays. Players are seen using their 3-card starting hand in gameplay that has been leaked. A turn-based card game called Shiba Eternity will get more features in upcoming releases, according to Kusama. With 2 million Shiba Inu owners, the game has brought attention to the Shiba Inu environment. The launch of the game is anticipated by many players. The release date for the game for the remaining users is unknown at this time. Updates on Satoshi, Kazama, the Metaverse, and the Shiba Inu NFT ecosystem releases scheduled for the fourth quarter of 2022 are still anticipated. Shiba Inu's price will rise to $0.1550, according to analysts. FX Street analysts assess the Shiba Inu price trend and forecast a mimicant surge. Analysts have discovered oblique indicators that suggest the Shiba Inu could decline. Since the second trading week of August, the meme-coin's price has had a difficult time rising. Analysts anticipate a comeback in Shiba, despite prior predictions for Shiba Inu prices being generally negative. Shiba Inu could reach its bullish target of $0.1550 if it is able to recover its losses. After the market experienced an astonishing rise in trading volume, the burn rate of the largest meme coin in the sector dramatically soared. Over 300 billion Shib were taken by an unidentified retail whale at the Shiba Inu whale's address, which could have resulted in more tokens being burned on the network. 170 million Shib tokens, a 250% increase, have been burned, as proposed by Shibburn. Coins are being burned off at an increasing rate, which is consistent with the market's rising asset prices. Shiba Inu value has climbed by more than 50% over the last 50 days, drawing the interest of numerous retail whales who come back to purchase huge quantities of Shiba Inu tokens, driving the most recent price gain. Faster burn rates on the market were mostly caused by the introduction of the Shiba Inu card in the past. When the card was purchased, a new burning mechanism was added to the Shiba Inu ecosystem, which burned a tiny number of tokens each time. Additionally, whales can contribute directly to Shiba Inu burns by sending any amount they choose to burn to addresses that aren't used for anything other than tossing damaged tokens. On May 20, 2022, more than 549 trillion shibcoins were in circulation, according to CoinMarketCap. There will only ever be 1 quadrillion, or 1,000,000 billion, coins produced. This implies that the value of one shibcoin will probably always be low. Although the amount of the possible supply does considerably lower its price, this is not to suggest that it won't grow at some point. It won't pass the hollowed-out $1 barrier without substantially disrupting the economy. However, the cheap price also indicates that there is room for growth, therefore it's crucial for investors to set reasonable expectations. We got the moniker, Deutsche Coin Killer, because, as Ryoshi noted in the Shiba Inu white paper, we can outperform the value of Deutsche Coin exponentially without ever reaching the $0.01 threshold. Additionally, it should be noted that Vitalik Buterin, the man who created Ethereum, received 50% of the total supply of shibcoins, which amounted to 410.24 quadrillion tokens worth more than $6.7 billion when they were destroyed in May 2021. "I don't want to be that kind of locust," he stated when speaking at the time. In May of last year, Buterin also contributed 50 trillion coins, or around $1.2 billion, to the India COVID Crypto Relief Fund to aid COVID-19 victims. The multi-billionaire characterized it as a chance to transform the meme bubble into something that might truly benefit people. On July 6, 2021, Shib took the next step by establishing its own exchange, Shibaswap, which also utilizes the Ethereum blockchain. As a result, users can trade their Shib for other cryptocurrencies. Users can also obtain Shiba's other cryptocurrencies, such as Leash and the freshly released Bone, through a decentralized exchange. Any Shiba Inu price prediction should take into account the fact that the coin has a passionate internet following with more than 1 million token holders. Having more than 3 million Twitter followers and a subreddit with more than 471,000 members bodes well for the future of the Shiba Inu currency, especially given its cheap price and limited utility. You have to give these sites credit for being optimistic, positive, enthusiastic, and inviting spaces for individuals who are interested in Shib, even though it is reasonable to argue that they are not exactly the places to go for reasoned conversations about cryptocurrencies. It would seem logical to assume that this memecoin is still around since there are more than a few Shib enthusiasts online. Consider yourself a potential millionaire if you have 1 million tokens. Shib has no intention of looking back, therefore it will continue to rise until it reaches the moon. Remember to give it a big thumbs up. To view our most recent material, share it and subscribe to the channel.